Imagine waking up and knowing, if everything falls apart today, I'm still okay. That isn't just money. That's real power. Saving your first $100,000 feels impossible. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. You start with pennies, you face doubts, and everywhere you turn, someone's telling you, you can't do it without a six-figure salary. A side hustle empire. You have to be born rich, or a decade of suffering. But what if I told you? Saving your first $100,000 isn't about working 80 hours a week. It's not about spreadsheets or cutting out coffee. It's not even about how much you earn. What if the real key is learning how to think differently? Let's change the way you see money. In this video, we're not just going to talk about saving. We're going to explore how the rich think, what the middle class gets wrong, and how you can hack the system, ethically, smartly, and yes, easily. Section 1. The illusion that keeps us broke. Let's start with one of the biggest lies we believe. If I just make more money, I'll start saving. That sounds logical, right? More money equals more savings. But let's test that. Someone earns $40,000 a year. They spend $38,000. Now another person earns $100,000. Guess what? They spend $98,000. See the pattern? Expenses rise to match income. It's not your income that determines how much you save. It's your behavior. Here's the mindset shift. You don't save what's left after spending. You spend what's left after saving. That small change, it can add six figures to your net worth over time. If you're always waiting for leftover money to save, there won't be any, because human psychology fills the space. This is why people win the lottery and go broke. It's also the same reason some NFL players declare bankruptcy, and it's why your friend who just got a raise is still in debt. Saving is not a math problem, it's a behavior pattern. Section 2. Understanding money versus chasing it. Think of money like water. If you try to grab it with your hands, it slips through, but if you build a container, it stays. Most people chase money, the wealthy. They study it. They think differently. They ask better questions, not, how do I make more money? But, how can I make money while I sleep? Not, how do I afford that car? But, is that car helping my freedom or trapping me in debt? See the difference? Saving your first $100,000 isn't about sacrifice, it's about alignment. You're not saying no to lattes. You're saying yes to freedom, yes to time, yes to future choices. That's the trade. It's not punishment, it's power. Section 3. The easy way is invisible. Let me tell you a secret. The easy way doesn't look like effort. It looks like structure. It looks like systems. Automatic savings. Invisible habits. It's the stuff you set up once, then never think about again. Imagine this. You want to save $1,000 a month. That sounds hard, right? Now split it into $250 per paycheck. Set it to be transfer automatically. You never touch it. You never see it. Preset transfers, you forget it even exist. It's like it never existed. That's the magic. You don't miss what you don't see. This is how you win, not by using more willpower, but by needing less. Because willpower fades, but systems last. Section 4. The 3 types of people and where you fit. There are 3 types of people when it comes to money. Let's find out where you are. Type 1. Survivors. They live paycheck to paycheck, always stressed. No emergency fund, no breathing room. Type 2. Stabilizers. They save a little. They've got a buffer, but they're still stuck. They rely on a job and freedom feels far away. Type 3. Builders. They automate. They invest. They think long-term, not just about this month. Builders aren't richer. They're wiser. They understand that saving money isn't just about dollars. It's about energy, stored energy, banked time, more options. To save your first $100,000, you need to become a builder. Not just save, but building. Habits, systems, momentum. Section 5. Where the 100K magic really happens. Here's what nobody tells you. Saving your first $100,000 is the hardest part. Not because of the money, but because of who you have to become. A version of yourself who chooses discipline over distraction, patience over panic, systems over stress. It's not just about stacking dollars. It's about rewiring your thinking. But once you reach $100,000, something incredible happens. You're not pushing the snowball anymore, it's rolling on its own. That's $100,000 you didn't work for. That's leverage. That's freedom. Section 6. Your personal 100K plan, the easier way. Let's build a simple plan. Not a get-rich-quick scheme, a real doable roadmap. Step 1. Save 25% of your income. If that sounds impossible, start with 10%. Automate it. Pretend it doesn't exist. Step 2. Live on less than you earn. Not what you can afford, but what you should afford. If you can rent for $1,500 but survive on $1,000, do it. That extra $500 is your future. Step 3. Kill high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans. Debt is a thief. It steals your sleep, your time, and your future. Don't let it steal your future. Kill it fast. Step 4. Invest in low-cost index funds. Simple, boring, proven, no hype, just consistent, long-term growth. Step 5. Keep your lifestyle flat, even when your income goes up. Your friends will upgrade cars, you upgrade investments. Step 6. Track your net worth every month. What you measure, you improve. If you don't measure it, you can't master it. Don't just look at your income, look at your wealth. That's the real scoreboard. Section 7. What you gain beyond money. You think you're just saving money, but what you're really gaining is peace of mind, control, options. You'll be able to walk away from toxic jobs, toxic relationships, or anything that no longer serves you. Your first $100,000 doesn't make you rich. It makes you unbreakable. You'll wake up one day and realize, if everything falls apart, I'm still okay. That's power. That's freedom. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. The hardest part isn't financial, it's emotional. You'll feel left out. You'll feel FOMO. Fear of missing out. Friends will take expensive trips. Family may not understand. You might feel behind. But 5 years from now, you'll be in a completely different place, and you won't need to say a word. Your freedom will speak for itself. You'll have time, peace, power, and the ability to choose your own path. Your first $100,000 isn't a finish line. It's the launch pad, and it's closer than you think. Not because you work harder, but because you think smarter. If this video made you think differently, hit that subscribe button. If it made you feel something, share it. And if you're ready to start, start today. Even if it's just $1, because small steps create massive change.